Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn top 30 German words related to traveling. So if you're planning to go to Germany, these verbs will help you to converse. Before going ahead, we would request you to subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute and click on the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. And if you're watching us on Facebook, please follow our page. Now let's start.
Annehmen,
To accept or to take up.
ausfüllen,
To fill in a form.
aussehen,
To look or to appear.
aussteigen,
To deboard or to get off from a vehicle.
bergsteigen,
Mountain climbing or trekking.
besichtigen,
To sightsee or to view.
einpacken,
To pack.
einsteigen,
To board or to get on a vehicle.
entscheiden,
To decide.
entspannen sich,
To relax.
in der Sonne liegen,
To lie down in the sun.
probieren,
To try or to taste something.
raten,
To advise or a guess.
reisen,
To travel.
reservieren,
To reserve.
sammeln,
To collect.
Sandburgen bauen,
To build sand castles.
segeln,
To sail.
Stadtrundgang machen,
City tour.
träumen,
To dream.
übernachten,
To stay overnight.
umsteigen,
To transfer or to change a vehicle.
umtauschen,
To exchange.
verbrauchen,
To consume or to use.
verbringen,
To spend time.
vermeiden,
To avoid.
verpassen,
To miss.
versuchen,
To try or to attempt.
vorbereiten,
To prepare something.
wandern,
To hike. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to know nouns related to traveling, links are there in the description under YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do share with your friends and learning partners. And please subscribe to Zenith Institute.